In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find attachments in Outlook. Whether you're looking for a specific file or want to review all the attachments you've received, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. We'll break it down step by step so you can become more efficient with your email management. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Outlook. This is the email client we'll be using today, known for its robust features and user-friendly interface. Once you've opened the application or navigated to the Outlook webpage, you'll find the sign in option at the top right corner. It's just a click away, so go ahead and click on that. Once you've clicked on sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Make sure to enter the correct login information to access your account. If you're using a public computer or sharing devices, consider checking any security measures like two-factor authentication to keep your information safe. Now that you're logged in, we're going to locate attachments within your emails. Head over to the search field, usually located at the top of your Outlook interface. Here you'll notice a filter option which can help refine your search results. Click on filter and a list of options will appear. Using filters helps you to pinpoint exactly what you're searching for, and in this case, attachments. After you click on the filter, type in the email address of the person who sent you the attachment, or any identifying keywords that can help locate the mail more quickly. For example, if you remember the email was from a coworker, enter their email address or their name if it's saved in your contacts. This step is crucial for narrowing down the list of emails in your inbox. Once you've entered this information, you can specifically look for emails that include attachments. There should be an option or checkbox allowing you to search emails with attachments specifically. Ensure it's selected so your search yields only emails containing attachments. This search will help you save time and effort, especially if your inbox is filled with emails. Finally, after you've set up your search parameters, it's time to click the search button. It's usually a magnifying glass icon next to the search bar. Clicking this will initiate the search process, displaying all the emails with attachments that match your filters. Now you have a list of emails containing attachments. You can click on each to open and review the attachments of interest. This straightforward approach is designed to make navigating through Outlook seamless and effortless. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this tutorial has made managing your emails just a little bit easier.